how to change Telegram X password. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change Telegram X password, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open the Telegram X application on your device, and then after doing that, you will be brought to your home page automatically where you would see all of your chats. Then once you can see this, the next step would be to move to the top left corner and then click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. After doing that, your profiles page will be displayed where you can see options like contacts, calls, saved messages, settings, invite friends, help, and mode. So just go ahead and click on settings. On the settings page, you can also see the options like your name, your username, etc. Just scroll down and select privacy and security. Then after selecting that, on the privacy and securities page, under security, you can see options like active sections, passcode lock, two-step verification. So select your two-step verification and then you'll be asked to enter in your current password. So just go ahead and do that. So after entering the password, click on the arrow icon and then you'll be taken to the next page, which is change password, disable password, change recovery mail. So just go ahead and click on change password. Then you'll be asked to enter in the new password that you want to use. Click on the pencil icon, click on the entering the password again, click on the arrow icon and then you'll be asked to click on this tick mark. And then once you've done that, your password has been changed successfully. That's how it works. And then you'll be see a notification will be sent to you on Telegram informing you that your password has been changed. So this is how you can change your password on Telegram X. It is very simple. Thanks for watching and have a good day.